Bookmark.
Let's quickly see the things needed.
You will need an A4 sheet, some sketches, some pencil, scale and a scissor. So let's start. You have to measure 10 by 10 on both the sides. Make a square cut. Let's cut it. First, fold it into a triangle. Like this. Now fold it again. You will get like this. Now open it. Now place the other side of the paper like this.
You will get like
You will
this.
get like this. Now fold the one side like this and now do the other also. You will get it like this.
You will get like this.
Now fold this sheet to the upper side.
You will get like this.
Now you have to keep this side of this paper and fold it inside. You will get like this. Now fold this side also. Ta-da! Your bookmark is ready. Now make any designs you want. I'm gonna make my favorite cartoon character.
See, I have made in 2 different colors.
Now make your design. See, I have drawn like this. Now you can fix the ears.
See, I have drawn like this. Now you can fix the ears.
You will get very pretty bookmarks like this. Isn't it nice?
Wow, very pretty.
Today's theme is do great things for God. If you are reading Bible, keep this as your bookmark. So you can keep your bookmarks like this. Share it with all your friends. As you keep reading your chapters, you can place this as your bookmark. Isn't it interesting, friends? So you can continue your reading later also. So
You can also gift it to your dear and new ones.
see you again
for
in another interesting activity. Bye friends.
Bye friends.